wherever you need art done, we're gonna do it. My philosophy is you take teaching, you take art beyond classroom walls. You do not let 4 classroom walls confine what you're gonna do in life, and especially in art. Art was actually a fluke for me. I never took an art class in high school. I did not take an art class till my 3rd year of college, and I took an intro to art class, and it so resonated with who I am that it just set me on a new path in my life. And so when I got my first teaching job, and back then teachers could teach what they wrote. They didn't follow a curriculum. So I had a lot of freedom to do a lot of things. And so out of that, I think, was born Project Van Gogh, of sharing art. We started in the Mountain Home School District, taking art to the elementary schools, and then branching out and taking art statewide and beyond with Project Van Gogh. And we call it Project Van Gogh because we would get in a van and we would go. And so now, 49 years later, I'm teaching the grandchildren of the original students.
Today we are in Prairie, Idaho, and we're here teaching art. This work impacts small rural schools. We can see the delight that the students have while they are engaged in art today, but I think the big picture is just the fact that Jennifer has done this for so long. We have students who continuously will come back when they hear she's in town and talk about how they've elected to take art, or they want to show her some of their art, or they remember when we contributed to the mural, or remember when we did plaster masks, or so they carry these stories with them for years to come. I think just making great memories.
I just want people to remember that they had fun. I'm not making them into professional artists. I like to push their boundaries a little, like some of the kids painting today. You know, it's like, I'm done. And then you go, well, maybe consider this. But I think just the exposure to art, because some of them aren't brave enough to even say, I'm gonna try that. So I want them to remember that they had fun and that we cared that they had fun.